Yo, I'm about to show y'all how to make a quick melody in FL Studio real quick. I wanted to show y'all how I just started off this melody right here. I just did like step one in the piano roll, so y'all not far behind. So look, we got BPM 125. Alright, I'm gonna show y'all how I found that. I started with key D. I'm gonna just say key D for a lot of people that don't really understand keys and A minors and whatever. So we got key D, and I wanted to go for a positive like feel, so I went 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I started at the 7th key, and the way I got this right here is because the reason why I was able to use this is because I used the D here, so you can still use the D up here. So with my 7, with my 7th note, I added that little D right there to make it have that little positive strum. Because without this, it'll just sound like this. You feel me? So with that, it has that positive strum right there. You feel me? All of these are still in key. So I started like that. I'm gonna add some fucking hi-hats real quick. Uh, I'm probably gonna change my hi-hats up though, but I'm just gonna put these in here for right now. Let me see. What is that? My bad. That was an old melody I was fucking with. I know a lot of people don't even use these, but I'm not using it permanently. I'm just using it to show y'all something real quick. This is how you can make a real quick beat. Give me a real quick trap beat with a hard ass melody, man, within like 30 minutes. That shit hard. I want it right there. You feel me? That's hard right there. You get your snares real quick. Don't mind those glitched out snares. I'm gonna show y'all. If that ever happens to you right here, if this ever happens to any one of y'all, oh, it's not doing it now. Wow, now it doesn't want to do it. You see how the snare is like glitching like that? If that ever happened to anybody on here, you just go like this, get the snare, and you just put it right there. You just hit this button right here. Make sure you hit that, and sometimes people times will be glitched like this, so it'll make it so you can only do like one tone. You come to that, and you just make sure this is down, and make sure this is not highlighted. See what I'm saying? Now it's not really not glitching. When you put it in there, it's not gonna glitch. Cause sometimes people can like put it in there and it still glitch. But I don't know why I be doing that. That's like some FL gotta fix. That was too early. You feel me? That's already hard, bruh. And like, come on now, bro. This is stock plugins too. This isn't no VST or none of that. This is Sakura, bro. Like anybody has Sakura in the stock FL. You don't have to have no freaking VST. None of that, bro. Just learn how to play piano roll. And learn how to play piano. Feel me? So if you have Sakura, obviously everybody got Sakura. Go to Sonic, Haiku Bank, and PL Rich Harp. That harp is one of the dopest harps in the fucking FL. But you feel me? Like Listen to that. Let me add some kick real quick. I don't want no trash kick, bro. Hold on. Yeah, that kick, alright. Let me put this kick in here. Now remember, don't ever make your beats like how I'm setting it up. This is just to get y'all like a sound of what I'm doing real quick. Let this kick up. Cat, why does it say hat? Why does my kick still say hat? What the fuck? Shit, hella like, what the fuck? Alright, bet. Hold on. Y'all can't say that's not fire already, bro. Hold on. I might have to make this to a real beat. Hold on. No cap, that's going stupid crazy. Alright, let me put an 808 in here real quick. Y'all got me, man. Like, this is with Sakura. This is like the stock plugins. This is for anybody who don't got plugins. But if you need help getting plugins, leave that comment though. Hold on, let me add that 808 though. Producer's Heaven. This one hard. Oh yeah. That one fire, bro. This 808 fire with it. Oh my god. That's just me clicking it. Hold on, let me put that motherfucker in there. Why is it not saying the name of my sounds? That's weird, bro. I don't know why it's doing that. My bad to off click. I was just counting my keys real quick. Hold on. Oh yeah, that's hard right there. Oh god, right there. Oh my god. Hey, when I'm done with this video, I'm about to make this to a real beat. Oh god. This is hard. And it's still not done. Look, let me share some other sounds. Make sure y'all sometimes add perks though, cause perks is good. You gotta make sure that's the right perk though. Hold on. Always try to find like sounds that you can add in. Don't ever like leave it out. Hold on, let me go to wavy. I'm just going to wavy for a perk. Don't get mad at me. This is because this is my favorite perk. I think it go right there. I can't hear it. Oh, there you go. Yeah, that's hard right there. You hear it like how to make a quick, hard ass beat real quick in like 30 minutes. And a hard melody too. Like, hold on, where my melody at? Like, most people use like backup melodies and stuff. I just use one sound, bro. And this is hard with just one sound. But I could definitely add like a backup melody sound. Like, if you wanna go to like if I did add a backup, I would just like yeah, I would use something soft like this. Nah, not that. I'll use something soft like this. Hold on, that's just me playing with the keys though. Hold on, let me actually put that motherfucker in piano roll for y'all. Alright, let me see. I don't know why I like starting with C. Let me start with G. Hold on. Yeah, G sounds good. And make sure y'all like hit the notes and like listen to the sound. Like if you like how that shit come off, then rock with that. Hold on, it's actually fucking it up real quick. That's a G. So we're gonna throw it down here. See how it sounds. You feel me, bro? Like, come on now, listen to that. I just added that shit within 30 seconds, bro. Like, I didn't even think too hard. Now imagine if I was sitting there actually thinking about it, like. Alright, that's my quick little tutorial on how to make a beat within 30 minutes, man.